For thousands of years, we've been staring at something beautiful. We named it the goddess of beauty, the morning star, our twin. But beauty can lie, and behind that light is a world that would kill you in a second. Venus is a liar. It has been playing a long game, hiding a world of fire and acid behind a veil of gold since the dawn of time. On paper, it is our perfect match. Same size as Earth, same gravity pulling at your feet, formed from the same ancient dust in the same corner of the same solar system at the exact same moment in time. For centuries, astronomers looked at those thick, creamy clouds and dreamed. Maybe there were oceans beneath them, maybe jungles, maybe rivers, maybe something looking back at us. They were dead wrong. Those clouds aren't water, they're sulphuric acid. As we descend through the upper atmosphere, the blue of space disappears behind us. The light turns from a soft yellow to orange, then to a sickly, suffocating brown. The winds here don't just blow, they roar, moving at 300 kilometers per hour, faster than any hurricane ever recorded on Earth, and they never stop. They have been screaming around this planet for millions of years without a single moment of calm. The atmosphere of Venus weighs 90 times more than ours. Standing here feels like being dropped 1 kilometer to the bottom of the ocean. Except there is no ocean, just thick, hot, choking carbon dioxide pressing in on every side. Your lungs wouldn't fill, your bones wouldn't hold, you would simply collapse. And then is the heat, 465 degrees Celsius. Not the closest planet to the sun. Venus is actually further away than Mercury, and yet it is hotter, far hotter. Hot enough to melt lead, hot enough that the rocks on the ground glow faintly in the darkness. This heat doesn't come from the sun directly. It comes from Venus itself, from a blanket of carbon dioxide so thick that heat enters but never ever leaves. In the 1970s and 80s, the Soviet Union decided to try anyway. They built probes called Venera. These weren't machines, they were tanks, armored, reinforced, designed to survive the most hostile conditions engineers could imagine. They landed. They sent back photographs, the first photographs ever taken on another planet. Yellow rocks, cracked flat ground, an orange sky pressing down like a ceiling of fire. And then, one by one, they went quiet. The longest any machine survived was 127 minutes. The electronics burned out, the metal warped, the cameras went black. Their remains are still down there today. Venus wasn't always like this. Billions of years ago, before whatever catastrophe unfolded, Venus had oceans, real liquid water oceans, a mild climate, stable skies, for up to 3 billion years, longer than complex life has existed on Earth. And then something changed. The sun grew slightly brighter. The oceans began to evaporate. Water vapor entered the atmosphere and trapped more heat, a loop with no end. The oceans boiled away completely. The water was torn apart by radiation and scattered into space, and Venus crossed a line it could never come back from. We are looking at a dead planet, and we cannot identify the cause of death. When you look at Venus tonight, that calm, beautiful light in the western sky, you are looking at a ghost, a world that had billions of years to become like home and didn't. a warning written across an entire planet in fire and acid and silence. Go outside tonight. Find the brightest light that doesn't twinkle. That's Venus. It has been glowing in our sky before humans existed, and it has never once let us in.